doesn't have a preset credit limit. Kasi it's a sky is the limit credit card. Wala siyang limit. Talagang lahat pwede niyang bilhin. What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about American Express Black Card or American Express Centurion Card credit card. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, ito yung credit card, kumbaga goddess of the goddess ng mga credit cards. Kasi ito yung pinakamataas, which is wala siyang limit. Kumbaga, pwede niyang bilhin yung isang buong building ng Makati. Kahit ano pa yan, kayang-kaya niyang bilhin kasi sky's the limit itong credit card na ito. Pag-uusapan natin paano nga ba magkaroon ng ganito. Kasi kahit papaano, kahit mahirap lang tayo guys, huwag tayo mawala ng pag-asa. Malay mo naman one day, magkaroon tayo ng American Express Black Card credit card. So if you're going to ask me guys, if meron akong American Express Black Card, ito, meron, ito me. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po. Sobrang maraming salamat po. So before ako mag-proceed sa topic ko guys, a quick story lang guys ha. Kung gaano ka bibihira yung mga taong may credit card na ganun, which is yung American Express Black Card. Kasi it's a story. Dati kasi akong nag-work guys as sales staff sa isang SM. So, kwento ito ng manager ko. Sa buong buhay niya daw kasi guys, 2 beses pa lang siya naka-encounter ng customer na may American Express Centurion Card or American Express Black Card credit card. To be honest, nasa 50s na siya. Tapos, nag-start siya ng career niya is nasa 25 years old. So, 25 years na siya sa industry. Tapos, sa 25 years na yon, 2 beses lang daw siya naka-encounter ng tao or customer na may American Express Black Card or Centurion Card. Napagkwentuhan kasi namin kasi syempre nasa loob ng SM, yung mga tao bumibili gamit yung card payment nila, tapos credit cards, debit cards, ganyan. Nalaman niyang ganun kasi nung paglapag daw sa counter, kumalansing yung card at parang sabi niya ganun, oh my god, sabi niya naka-American Express Black Card si sir. Sabi ko, kumusta na? At ako naman tong marites, tinanong ko, ano yung suot nila? Ganito, ganyan. Napakasimple ng suutan. Hindi mo mahahalatang may multi-billion sa bangko. So, yun. Balik tayo sa topic natin, guys. As you can see, American Express. Ayan po yung sinasabing American Express Black Card. Kapag in-issue sa inyo yan, may ganyan, parang naka-attach case siya. Tapos, yan, nakita ko tong picture na to sa Google, guys. Ayan, may Tecnofino na watermark. Credits sa Tecnofino. So, here's the details about that card, guys. The American Express Centurion Card, also known as the Black Card, is a charge card for American Express wealthiest clients. It's considered a status symbol. So, wealthiest, guys, ha. So, pinakamayamang kliyente ng American Express. Kaya naman, malay mo naman someday, di ba? Huwag tayo mawala ng pag-asa, laban lang sa mga hamon ng buhay. So, it's considered as a status symbol. So, kapag ikaw ay isang credit card holder ng American Express Centurion Card or Black Card, ibang level ka na. So, yung features niya guys is made of anodized titanium. Kaya pag nahulog siya or what, kakalansing talaga siya. Laser engraved and accented with stainless steel. Kaya naman talagang kakalansing talaga siya kapag nahulog. Reports to credit bureaus, doesn't have a preset credit limit. Kasi it's a sky is the limit credit card. Wala siyang limit. Talagang lahat pwede niyang bilhin. Ganun ka-powerful ang credit card na ito, which is yung American Express Black Card credit card. Eligibility. Applicants must meet certain net worth, credit quality, and spending requirements. American Express invites only their most loyal customers to apply. American Express doesn't disclose the exact requirements to receive an invitation. So, ano lang siya, parang if you are a American Express client, ganun yung spending mo, hindi nila sasabihin kasi they don't disclose the exact requirements. So, get being invited for that kind of credit card. Then exclusivity. The Centurion Card is surrounded by a shroud of secrecy and exclusivity. So, shroud, balot na balot ng exclusivity. Kumbaga, talagang exclusive lang talaga dun yung perks na yon. American Express keeps a tight lead on the numerous benefits and exclusive perks available to card holders. So talagang hindi nila dinidisclose. Kahit mag-research kayo sa anumang platform, limited lang talaga yung makikita mo sa details about this credit card. Centurion, wherever you go in the world, you can enjoy exceptional benefits, unique rewards, and special relationships a world few will ever see. Welcome to the world of Centurion. So a world few will ever see. Oh, a world view ha. Then lifestyle, if you are looking for a local hotspots or a world-famous venue, a table for 2 or 200, we can help all. Info na to is galing mismo sa American Express official website. Membership rewards points are our way of saying thank you for every time you spend on your card. They never expire. Use them how you like. So let's talk about its fees and charges, guys. What I'm trying to say is, magkano yung kakailanganin nyo bago kayo mabigyan ng American Express Centurion Black Cards. So kumbaga, bago nyo pwedeng magamit itong American Express Black Card, Credit Card, or American Express Centurion Card, may roong munang initiation fee, which is $10,000 dollar siya, guys, and a 5,000 annual fee. So ibig sabihin, may annual fee siya, $5,000 dollar per year after the first year. So kasi yung first year niya, guys, is naka-waive. Parang mga regular credit cards lang din. Explanation is the Centurion Black Card is an exclusive card with high fees. High fees, guys. The initiation fee is a one-time fee when you sign up for the card. The annual fee is paid each year after the initial year. So if you're going to ask if American Express is the highest tier of credit card, yes, the American Express Centurion card is among the most expensive and high initiation fee and annual fee, reflecting its premium services. Kasi syempre, kung mas ganito lang kasi naman yung key points dyan, guys, kapag yung credit card na yun is may mataas na annual fee, mas mataas din yung service na ipoprovide. Tulad nito si American Express, $5,000 dollar per year. So, yung exclusivity, talagang mafe-feel mo siya. So, let's talk about the rumored qualifications in having credit card like this, which is yung American Express Centurion card or yung American Express Black Card. Ito, guys, disclaimer lang po, wala pong exact talaga na details for this. It's just a rumored, kumbaga, doon sa mga, kumbaga, sir, itong details na to is galing sa mga na-issuehan na siguro, parang nag-share sila ng something ganon. To qualify for the American Express Centurion Black Card, you may need to spend a minimum amount on your American Express accounts in a calendar year. Kailangan talaga kasi, guys, na American Express client muna kayo. Personal card. Some say the minimum spend for the personal card is around $350,000 dollar per year. So magkano yun sa peso, di ba? Million yun. Business card naman is, some say the minimum spend for the business card is around $450,000 dollar or $500,000 dollar per year. Dalawang klase kasi itong card na to, yung American Express personal card or business card. Invitation, American Express may invite you to apply for the credit card if you meet the minimum spend. Benefits is access to airport lounges, including Priority Pass, Select Lounges, and Amex Centurion Lounges. Statement credit offers, elite status, perks for hotels and rental cars. So, yun lang yung nakalap kong details, guys. So, sana may na-share ko kahit kunti. So, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye. Sana yumaman tayo. Ganun lang. Bye-bye.